Everyone, Mark Rosenthal with you on this Monday afternoon. Some light snow is falling in and around the greater Boston area. We're updating this Weatherblast forecast for you at exactly 4:20. We have a lot to talk about, so let's get into it. I want to show you what's going on in terms of watches and warnings. In the blue zone, we have a winter weather advisory posted till 4 o'clock tomorrow morning for snow, piling up an inch or two, and then transitioning over to sleet and freezing rain. Over the Cape and the Islands, we have a high wind watch posted for tomorrow for southerly winds picking up 50 to 60 miles an hour. But as of late this afternoon, it's still plenty cold in Boston. Temperatures in lower 20s. Over the Cape and the Islands, middle and upper 20s. That extends off to the southwest. Even New York City still below zero with some light snow falling. Chatham radar shows a burgeoning area of light snow up into the greater Boston area, down over the Cape and the Islands, eastern Connecticut and Rhode Island. As a matter of fact, the steadier, heavier snow is now approaching New York City, as you'll be able to see on this mosaic radar. Here's the steady stuff from Philly to New York, and it should be in Boston early this evening. Notice the rain area up to about Atlantic City and out over the water. It's going to be a number of hours before we're playing rain here in Boston, so we have a tough night of travel ahead. All right, but tomorrow it's a totally different deal. I'll tell you what's going on. 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, intense storm in central New York State. A warm front has lifted off to our north. I think the heaviest rain is going to end in Boston tomorrow morning. We're going to have several hours of just nothingness, if you will, until this occlusion, this warm frontal occlusion, approaches during the afternoon with a burst of very heavy rain, strong winds and thunderstorms, and that moves through tomorrow night. And behind it, the air is really not that cold. We're going to have to wait until Thursday until somewhat colder air comes in. So we're thinking 1 to perhaps as much as 3 inches in this zone. 3 may be a little high. 495 north and west out to the Berkshires, southern New Hampshire, southern Vermont. 3 to perhaps as much as 5. Lesser amounts in southeastern Massachusetts. Forecast for Boston goes like this. Overnight, snow piling up an inch or two, then changing to sleet and freezing rain, and then all rain late at night with rising temperatures. And for tomorrow, it's rain in the morning, but I think it ends for a while. It becomes windy and very mild temperatures jumping well up into the 50s. Then probably by mid to late afternoon, another surge of heavy rain comes in, maybe with thunderstorms and strong southerly winds. That'll end tomorrow night. And then on Wednesday, variable clouds, pretty mild for this time of year, 42. Thursday, sun clouds and colder, near freezing. A lot of clouds on Friday, maybe an afternoon rain or snow shower. Then partly sunny, breezy, mild on Saturday. It'll be in the middle and upper 40s. A lot of folks are saying, oh, winter's over, that's it. Let me tell you something. It's not over. I think March is going to be a very interesting month, and we're only halfway through February. So just hang in there if you're a big fan of winter. It ain't over. All right? Okay. That's my latest short-range forecast. Thanks for checking in. I'm meteorologist Mark Rosenthal. Please stay tuned for updates.